delivering the latest news and ultimate happenings in the University Athletics Association of the Philippines. This is UAAP and Updates. The National University Women's Volleyball team showed they were ready to dominate the start of round 2 against UP, UST, UE, and Ateneo. After their 5-2 standing at the end of round 1, the Lady Bulldogs began round 2 with vengeance, defeating the Lady Fighting Maroons in 4 sets, 25-21, 30-32, 25-17, and 25-19 last March 20 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Vanch Alinsug was named player of the game after scoring 24 points from 20 spikes, 1 block, 3 service aces, 8 excellent digs, and 12 excellent receptions.
So, dapat yung consistency namin nandun talaga. Dapat sa training pa lang, ma-practice na namin yun. Na umpisa pa lang ng training, dapat all out na kami. Hindi yung kung kailan patapos, dun lang kami mag-all out.
The Lady Bulldogs pulled off a breakthrough win against the Golden Tigresses in their most anticipated rematch after giving them their first loss of the season in 4 exciting sets, 23-25, 25-17, 25-21, and 25-20 on March 24 at the same venue. Alyssa Solomon and Vanch Alinsug contributed to the scoring department, totaling 35 big points, with Bella Belen on top, dishing out an all-around performance with 24 total points from 21 spikes, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, 13 excellent digs, and 10 excellent receptions, bringing home the win to Hoxon in the Battle of Sampaloc.
I'm very happy lang po kasi lahat sa amin talagang ginusto manalo sa laro na to. Kasi yung lagi ko kasing sinasabi sa teammates ko kanina, wala pa silang talo, so mas masarap manalo. And nakita ko naman na nag-response naman sila and talagang binigay lang namin yung best namin.
Continuing their winning streak, the Golden Blue team showed no mercy as they limited high-scoring rookie Cassie Dongallo to a season low of 6 points and the rest of the Lady Warriors via sweep, 25-14, 25-14, and 25-12 on April 3 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena, Pasay City. Leading the team was Alyssa Solomon with 14 points from 12 spikes, a block, and a service ace, together with Bella Belen's 13 points and Camila Lamina's 13 excellent sets.
Nakita namin yung performance namin na parang every game paunti-unting nag-i-improve. And yun nga, happy po kasi parang nagpipick kami at the right time. Hindi yung biglaan, unti-unti po talaga. Siguro, nasa ano rin po yun, nasa disiplina and nasa training namin. Kasi para pagdating nung time na kailangan mag-pick na talaga kami, yun na yung pick namin.
Entering and solidifying their spot in the Final Four, the Lady Bulldogs displayed their dedication and hard work as they gave the Lady Eagles their 8th loss of the season in 3 straight sets, 25-22, 25-16, and 25-15 on April 10 at the last venue. Alyssa Solomon was once again hailed as the player of the game after scoring 23 big points from 19 spikes, 4 aces, and 8 excellent digs, propelling the team to a 9-2 standing.
Talaga sa training pa lang, mentally pinupush ko na sila. Kasi this season, everyone is stepping up na. So, labanan talaga in a system and yung mental toughness. So, very crucial talaga sa amin yung kung paano kami titibay and yung puso namin sa game.
These were the first 4 games of the NU Women's Volleyball team for the round 2 of the UAAP Season 86 tournament. Watch the remaining games as they eye for a championship return. That's it for the latest news here at the UAAP Volleyball Season 86. Follow us at NU The National for more updates. This is Kester Rabago of TNTV reporting.